Hi guys, it's 3D ProSmith here. We are providing the best 3D printing services in the town. When you want to fabricate something, you will think about three issues, which are money, quality, and time. Real model fabrication is expensive. Does the fabricated model can last longer? Do the fabrication takes longer time? Don't worry, 3D ProSmith here can solve all your problems. We provide the most affordable and reliable 3D printing services. Next, we also able to fabricate or print out any complicated models without any extra charges. We will optimizing the printing time to meet the customer expectation deadline. In order to print out your model, please feel free to contact us to know the prices and the procedures. Next, send us your model design in STL format. Tell us what your model specifications that it must be. Then we will use the ultimate Cura slicer to set it. Customers are allowed to choose the filament colors that they prefer. We will tell you the estimated printing time and start to print it out. And these are the fragrance products that have printed out based on the customer requirements. These are the mechanical products that have printed out for the final year project students. We only provide the services for the West Malaysia due to the delivery fees. If you are interested, don't hesitate to contact us via our email and phone and the Instagram website. Thank you for your attention.